So this weekend we are in Huntsville, Texas, and welcome to our little stagecoach. We were originally supposed to be in this cute little chuck wagon, but we, for some reason, last minutely got moved to this, but it's still pretty cute. And so here's the first half. It's the bedroom, and it comes with this cute little setup. Little lamp, little mugs for the coffee in the morning. And the kitchen is pretty luxurious, honestly, a lot of space. The other one that we were gonna be in didn't have this whole other half, so this is kind of an upgrade.
It's true.
So come this way. Here's the table, which I'm pretty excited about because now we brought Yahtzee and cards, so now we're able to play on this table as well as eat breakfast and dinner. There's a nice TV with a bunch of movies I've never heard of.
I've never heard of these.
So it has its own little couch set up here, and I don't really know what's up here. I guess
some bells and
sound
whistles.
system.
No pun intended.
Oh my goodness. This is all sticky, but more movies, blankets, towels.
And
wow. Okay, wait. Oh wait.
there's
cut. And then over here,
a ladybug. That's what that thing is.
if a ladybug got in, imagine what else got in.
I don't. Well, why did you make me think about that?
Okay. So here, me and the ladybug are gonna show you the rest of the tour.
Oh!
She'll be fine.
Yeah, but he is messing with the light. That's why I was...
I'll release her.
Yes, thank you. Release the Kraken! Beautiful.
So here we have a fridge and a freezer, which is really good because we brought some food. Little pantry, came with some coffee.
A toaster.
And a bathroom. All right. Kitty.
Oh my goodness.
And there's
Our furry
two
friends.
cute little kittens. Hello. Should we let them in?
No.
Oh God.
They're
No.
literally gonna tear the screen. We can literally come out like something. Probably not a good idea.
I know. I was just kidding. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, it's not really a charcuterie board. Or a char. It's not really a charcuterie board because
Char.
because we don't have a board. We're just eating snack foods. How's the wine?
It's pretty good. We got the cheapest wine we can find at Kroger. And good thing we did because we didn't bring a wine opener. But, you know, cheap wine. Don't eat it.
If you couldn't tell by now, we're fancy.
This Airbnb spot is located on Williams Ranch in Huntsville, Texas. So the ranch itself is 40 acres and the owner bought it back in the 80s. And it's surrounded by another 700 acres. So he said it's like a little keyhole in a whole bunch of land. So the best part about this place is because it's so isolated, there's 3 lakes, a lake dock, there's a private petting zoo, you know, horses to go horseback riding, just a lot to do around here. And the owners are very nice. They've been so accommodating, you know, shown us around, told us all about the place, and we're very welcoming overall.
Oh, yo, calm down now. We are at the petting zoo, so it opened at 9, and we are now just gonna walk around and pet some animals and just hang out.
Look, that's where we're staying. This is where we are.
Oh.
His name is Dozer because he's like a bulldozer, as you see.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh good lord. Yeah, he's cute.
I don't think he's
So these two are alpacas, and he is a llama. You can tell the difference once you get closer.
Also,
All are scared of us.
yeah.
Oh my.
Oh, Lord. Hook him, baby.
Hook 'em, baby.
Oh, camels.
It's starting to rain, which is exactly what we expected since it's a 100% chance of rain today. But it's not raining too bad. We can still do some fun inside stuff. Can't really hike.
So they'll get up to about 300 pounds and be about 7 feet tall.
Oh
when they're
wow.
grown.
Wow.
We'll say now they're like in junior high.
Junior high.
They molt 4 times and they're on their 4th molt. They're on their last time for changing colors. So they'll pretty much stay the black and white with a little brown in there.
Oh.
Oh wow. His teeth.
All right. So we just sat under a little shed for like 20 minutes talking to the owner of this place.
This is the lightest the rain's probably going to be, so we had to make a run for it. We're all
Yeah,
the
we're
way
running.
over there. Look at my pants, they are soaked.
My boots are literally a different color.
It's coming down hard. Oh no. I'm so soaked.
Holy crap.
Thank God we have a fort.
It is pouring.
It's kind of chilly.
It's very cold. Woo! So what we did not know is that there was going to be a 100% chance of rain and that it was going to absolutely pour for the first like 3 or 4 hours of the day.
So now we're going to change up our plans and we're going to go see the town of Huntsville and some of the cool hot spots there.
This water's amazing.
First we had to get water and now we're getting coffee.
What's in here?
It's garlic aioli, sour cream, lime, chili powder. Oh my god.
Mexican street fries.
So we just went to Mr. Hamburger. It was made in 1959, but they like closed it down and then they reopened it in 2011. But this is where we just ate. So some fun facts. Mr. Hamburger is right across the street from the prison, the Huntsville prison. And so when prisoners are freed, they come here to get their first taste of freedom. And menu is also prison themed. So they have like burgers called the Warden and the Killer. And then also, so sometimes these meals are requested for their last meal before execution.
Next stop.
We just got done at the Texas Prison Museum. Very interesting history. We had everything from, we saw the electric chair that they used to use, the history of the people that were executed, their last words. They used to have a prison rodeo where the inmates could compete in the rodeo. And apparently there was like sports games,
People would come
music.
in town and perform.
Yeah, it was very interesting.
See, our original plan was that we were gonna hike most of the day, enjoy some outdoor activities. But because it rained so hard this morning, we decided to, change up the plan. But now it's not raining, it's pretty nice outside.
Yeah.
Just figuring out what we do little by little.
Yeah, it is only 3:30. I feel like we've been doing stuff
Whoops.
all day.
We did our whole day's list.
And we're gonna go explore.
Yeah,
I mean,
we'll see what we do next.
there's a vineyard that closes at 7, which I didn't really even
Oh.
think about. And
That's what we're
we
gonna
might
do.
do that. I think it's like 15 minutes away,
Let's
maybe.
do that.
We'll see you at the vineyards.
We're the only ones here.
Yeah, we are. It's really pretty. It's so quiet. We're not wine connoisseurs, to say the least,
We're working on it.
but we're trying. Anyway, our last one here is a semi-sweet black Spanish wine that we're gonna try. Yeah, go ahead and try it.
Whoa. That's semi-sweet, and this sense is like really sweet.
Oh, really?
So maybe I take back the semi-sweet. We like on the drier side bold. This is still pretty good. Family owned and operated, Teysha Vineyard is the perfect relaxing destination to enjoy 100% Texas wines. Owners Joe and Lynn started this vineyard with one goal: to share the best Texas wines with the community in a venue that made everybody feel at home.
Yeah, the owners were amazing. They actually really made us feel at home. They helped us out with all the wines that we were tasting. And it's absolutely stunning out here. Really quiet. And I think it backs up to the Sam Houston National Forest. So
It was a perfect way to end our day.